Now let's practice solving a simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. In this example, we are to solve this equation simultaneously with the elimination method, and we have our equation 1 as x plus y equals 5, and our equation 2 is x minus y equals 1. Solution. So we write our equation, so we would have x plus y equals 5, and that is equation 1. And then we have x minus y equals 1, and that is equation 2. Now the next thing is to choose which of the unknown variables do we want to eliminate. Now I am choosing to eliminate the variable x. So since I have chosen to eliminate x, I will ensure that the coefficient of x in equation 1 and the coefficient of x in equation 2 are the same. If they are not the same, I will then multiply the coefficient of, I will multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2, and then multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1. But in this one, we can see that the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1, and the coefficient of x in equation 2 is also 1. So since they are the same, I can go on to eliminate x. So to eliminate x, I will subtract. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So that is, I have x plus y equals 5 minus x minus y equals 1. Now let's see what this would give us. Now x minus x, that is 0. And then y minus minus y. Y minus minus y. This is the same thing as saying y minus times minus gives us plus. So we have y plus y, and that will give us plus 2y. Equals 5 minus 1, and that gives us 4. At this stage, please be careful when you are subtracting. You do not want to leave any of the signs behind, whether minus or plus, because if you do that, you will end up in error. But when you follow it carefully, you can't miss it. So from here, we have 2y equals 4. And when we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2. I would have 2y over 2 equals 4 over 2. Therefore, my y equals 4 divided by 2, and that is 2. So now we have gotten the value of y. Let us then substitute. Substitute y equals 2 into any of the equations. So I will use equation 2. Substitute y equals 2 into equation 2. So in equation 2, anywhere I find y, I will put the value of y, which is 2. Therefore, I will have x minus, so in place of y, I will have 2 equals 1. And if we tidy this up, we'll see that x equals 1. And then taking minus 2 to the other side, when it crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 2. And we'll see that our x equals plus 3. Therefore, x equals 3 and y equals 2. Now let's check. So we'll check first with equation 1. Equation 1 states that x plus y equals 5. So let's check it. From the left hand side, we have x which is what? 3, plus y which is 2. And this will give us 5, which is consistent with our right hand side, hence it is correct. And if you also check it with equation 2, equation 2 has it as x minus y equals 1. So let's check the left hand side. On the left hand side, we have x, which is 3, minus y, which is 2. And 3 minus 2 will give us 1, which is consistent with our right hand side. Hence, it is correct. Therefore, we can conclude to say that x is 3 and y is 2. Thank you.